In this video, you'll learn how to add a fingerprint password to your Pixel 5. This feature enhances the security of your device while providing quick access. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 5a and locating the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Security and Privacy. This section contains various options to manage your device's security features. Look for the option labeled Fingerprint Unlock or something similar. If prompted, enter your PIN or password to ensure secure access to these settings before proceeding. After entering your credentials, you will be directed to the fingerprint settings page. Here, tap on the option that says Add Fingerprint. The device will guide you through the process with on-screen instructions. Position your finger on the fingerprint sensor multiple times, ensuring that you adjust the position slightly each time. This adjustment captures your fingerprint from different angles, which is crucial for accurate recognition. Continue this process until the system indicates that the fingerprint has been successfully registered. Once the registration process is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. It is essential to ensure that your fingerprint has been registered properly for effective use. Next, lock your phone by pressing the power button after your device is locked. Try using your newly registered fingerprint to unlock it. Observe how quickly and accurately the sensor responds. If it unlocks successfully, your fingerprint has been set up correctly. If you find that you want to add more fingerprints for additional users or for your own convenience, you can do this at any time. Simply return to the security and privacy settings, select the fingerprint option, and follow the same steps to add more fingerprints. This feature allows for multiple fingerprints, improving both convenience and security for your device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.